Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the third operator in Python, which is assignment operator. So this assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. In our previous videos, rest of like 17-18 videos, we have been creating a variable and assigning certain values to it, right? And this assigning is basically coming from this equal to operator. So we take a variable, let's say variable 1, and we are putting the value 10 into it, and this can only be happen because of this equal to operator, which is assignment operator. And this 10 is getting assigned in this variable 1, and then it is getting saved into a memory location, right, into your buffer memory. So assignment operator helps you basically to assign values to a given variable, and there are 8 different assignment operator, and with these 8 different assignment operator we are going to discuss and see the examples that how we can use these 8 assignment operator one by one. Okay, so let me just copy this entire thing first and put it over here. I'm just going to remove these so that we can test everything one by one and give the result. Okay, so we have these different type of assignment operator, and I'm just going to comment it out so that we can add our codes and run it. So when we were discussing about the arithmetic operator, we discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, exponential, and floor division, right, in our previous video. So while assigning a value to a variable, we can carry out all of those operations and then assign the values to a variable. So let's take an example saying that I have an input value equal to 10. Okay, and this input value, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add 5. Okay, so in order to add 5 and assign it to the input value, there is two ways. You can do input underscore value equal to input underscore value plus 5. Okay, so let's print it out. Print input underscore value. Let's run it. So we are getting 15. There is another way, or if you want to use the assignment operator for a particular variable, what you can simply do is that you can put input underscore value is equal to, before is equal to, you just need to put plus sign and then equal to and then 5. Now again, if I run this cell, let me comment it out first. So again, if I run this cell, I should get only 15 as my output, because initial value of input value is 10, and in this we are adding this 5. So let's run this, and now we are getting 15. Okay, so this is the example of addition assignment. Apologies, this is the example of addition assignment. So this input value equal to 10 is the example of assignment operator, where you have assigned 10 to your input value. Now if we talk about subtraction assignment, simply what you can do is that you can take input value and then you can put the subtraction sign over here, and then you can give equal to 5. This means that you are taking the input value, which is 15 right now. From this 15 you are subtracting 5. So let me print it out again over here. So let's run it. So you have got 15 and then 10. Let's go from top to bottom. So first we assign the value 10 to input value. Then what we are doing over here, we are basically using addition assignment. In this input value we are adding 5, so 10 plus 5 is 15, and we are getting the output, which is 15 over here. Then we are using the subtraction assignment. So from this 15 we are subtracting 5 using this minus equal to sign, and we are printing the value, which is 10. So if you minus 5 from 15 you will get 10. Now the next example that we're going to see is the multiplication assignment. So with this 10, if we want to multiply it by 5 with the help of multiplication assignment, then how we can do it? We can simply put input underscore value star sign, which is the multiplication operator, equal to 5. Okay, now let's print it. Print input value. So now if I run this, I'm getting 50. So whatever value was in this input value, so from our subtraction assignment we were getting 10, so it takes 10 and multiply it by 5. Okay, now let's talk about division assignment. With this division assignment, we simply put input value and the divide is the slash, so we are going to put slash equal to 5, and then we are going to print input value. So what should happen over here is that it should take 50 in this input value and then divide it by 5 and give the output as 10. So let's run it, and now we are getting 10.0. Okay, similarly, let me just copy this print statement first and put it over here and then comment it out. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we are going to get the use the remainder assignment. Okay, so this remainder assignment helps you to get the remainder. So if I put input underscore value and the remainder operator is percentage sign, and let's put 3. So if we divide 10 with 3, we are going to get the remainder as 1, right? So we'll put input percentage sign 3 is percentage sign equal to 3, and then if I run this, we are getting 1. So what it does is that the last input value, which was division assignment over here where we had used, the value was 10.0, right? So it takes 10.0 in this input value and it divides it by 3 and gives us the remainder over here. Now let's talk about the exponential assignment. So for exponential assignment, we have to use 2 times the star mark, right? So I'm going to put input value 2 times star equal to 2. Okay, even though if we take the power of 1 to any value, it will always be 1, right? So let's assign the input value as 2. Input underscore value equal to 2. Now if we take the power of 2 to the power of 2, we would be getting 4, right? So let's run this and get the output. So we are getting 4 over here. Now what we have done over here, we have reassigned the input value with 2, and then we are using the exponent assignment to raise the power of this 2 to this 2. So instead of 2, let's keep 5. What will happen? It will raise the power of this 2 till 5 and gives the output. So let's run it and we'll get 32. Okay. The last one that we have is the floor division assignment. So right now in our input value we have 32 as a value. Okay, and if we divide it, let's say by 2, what will happen? Okay, so I'm just going to put input underscore value, and for floor division we have to use 2 times of this slash, and then we have to put equal to 3. Okay, so if I run this, I'm getting 10. So we are getting the floor division value using this floor division assignment, where the operation is performed and the value is saved in this input value variable. So this is how basically you can use the assignment operator to assign a particular value to a variable, and in case if you need to perform an operation, arithmetic operation, you can also do that using these assignment operators. Happy learning and see you in the next video.